We're here in St. Petersburg, Florida, with Geiger's Pest Services. Just completed our first installation job. Thanks to Barry.
Hey.
Showed us how to use the equipment. We love the blower and the vacuum. We got the CM2400 and the vacuum, Cool Vac 23.
Yep.
He knows his stuff. Got it set up right. And I think it went pretty well.
Appreciate it. This is the first time you guys vacuumed and blowed. What do you think?
Yeah, this is my first time. I think the way Barry set the equipment up, it was very fast. He's very knowledgeable. He helped us a lot. We wouldn't have been able to do it without him. And I really just appreciate you so much for all your help.
Well, it's nice to meet you both. And
Likewise.
thank you for having us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, take care.
Take care.